Okay, good morning class. This is NC2 for drafting.
Good morning po.
So, bago kayo pumunta dito sa NC2, binigyan ko kayo na requirements. Nasa inyo ba?
Yes po.
So, attendance muna tayo for today. So, Aaron Bonilla.
Yes po.
Tapos, okay. So, before we start, I'm gonna explain the house rules. Number 1. Individual picture taking for the ID, so that meron kayong picture. 2 action pictures to be taken from time to time para siya sa portfolio nyo. 3 refrain from leaving the session room while the session is ongoing. So if meron naman kayong emergency, dapat mapapaalam kayo sa akin, pero as much as possible, huwag kayong lalabas. 4 keep mobile phones on silent mode. Ayaw natin na madidistract tayo habang ginagawa natin yung drafting. 5. Phone call and visitors must be entertained during break time. 6. Consolidate our output of portfolio assessment. And 7. National assessment will be announced on and before the training. So, traditional teaching-centered. Number 2, lectures. Traditional 3, focus on textbooks and lectures. Number 4, emphasis on memorization. Number 5, passive learning. CBT approach, learning-centered. Number 2, outcome-focused. Number 3, individualized pace. Number 4, practical and apply. Number 5, assessment driven. So, ang CBT principles natin is the training is based on curriculum development from the competency standards. So, dito natin kinuha yung curriculum natin or like iti-train natin for today. Number 2 is learning is modular and it's structured. Number 3, delivery is learning-centered and should be accommodated, individualized and self-paced learning strategies. Number 4, training is based on work that must be performed. Number 5, training materials are directly related to the competency standards and curriculum modules. Number 6, assessment is based in the collection of evidence of the performance of work to the industry-required standard. 7, training is based both on and off job component. 8, training program allows for recognition of prior learning, RPL, or current competencies. 9, training allows for multiple entry and exit. 10, training programs are nationally accredited or registered within PUPRAS, Unified BTBT Ed Program Registration Accredited System. So, roles of the trainer. So, ang role ko is mag-facilitate for the whole day. Technical, kung meron kayong questions, sa akin kayo magtatanong, and re-evaluated. So, kayo naman as trainees, kaya ang in-expect ko sa inyo maging active sa papagawa ko. 2 is self-directed and be responsible sa mga gawain. Evaluation system, institutional assessment, national assessment, and COC or NC. Training methods, trainer LED-led training, on-the-job training OJT or modular training. So, training methods is demonstration and group discussion. And our basic competency is participate in workplace communication. So, kung meron kayong itatanong, I expect you to ask questions, work in team environment, practice career professionalism, and practice occupational health and safety. Common competencies: use hand tools, perform mensuration and calculation, prepare and interpret technical drawing, apply quality standards, terminate and collect electrical circuits. Okay, so yun lang. Proceed po tayo sa test natin, pre-test. Kung meron kayong prior knowledge sa dati nyong university, madami. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, time's up. Thank you. Pwede na po kayo bumalik dito sa Next is presentation about Adobe Photoshop. So, ano ba ang Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop, meron siyang dalawa. So, one is professional image editing standard. Two, general usage of Photoshop is creating images or ine-edit niyo yung existing images. So, paano siya sisimulan? So, first, i-click nyo lang yung start and find and click Photoshop 7.0 kasi yun yung gagamitin natin na version. So, sa menu, makikita natin yung File, Edit, Image, Layer, Filter, View, and Windows. Tapos sa file, dito natin masasave yung images, dito natin mabubuksan yung mga dati nating mga gawa or files na i-edit natin. Pwede rin tayo mag-import, mag-export ng different images from Google or yun sa dati ng gawa, so on and so forth. Pwede dito rin natin makikita yung print. Okay, so this is the different files or extension. This is PDF. Adobe Photoshop uses Photoshop document or PSD file format by default. JPEG is the Joint Photograph Experts Group. GIF is the Graphic Interchanging Format, or GIF includes file name extension is popularly used for creating web page, elements, logs, and etc. PNG is the Portable Network Graphics, or PNG. Was designed as an alternative to GIF and JPEG formats. TIFF naman is the tag image file format, or TIFF. Saves and preserves all the original images or data, and commonly used natin is PDF, and the portable document format, PDF file, is used to encapsulate the text, font, and graphic and other information. So, pag mag-edit na tayo, ito yung madalas na natin gagamitin, yung undo, step, forward, backward. Undo is the last, cancel the last work. So, parang mauulit, ika-cancel nyo yung mga nagawa nyo na. Parang auto-delete. Step forward, move to the next stage, which you did. Step backward, move to the previous stage, which you did. B, cut, copy, paste. Cut naman is to get rid of the parts which you selected. Copy a part that you select. Paste is attach the part you copied. So, images, dito nyo naman makikita yung mga color, kung anong mode yung gusto nyo. Canvas size, image size, dito nyo siya i-edit. Tsaka kung gusto nyo i-rotate yung mismo images to left, right, or like up or down. So, ito naman sa layering, magagamit nyo naman to for kung meron kayong gustong ipatong sa images nyo, another image, or like, pwede kayo mag-delete, mag-rearrange, change the order of layers, merge, make layers into one layer. Pwede naman pagsamahin. So, ito, various kinds of technical effects. Next is view. Kung yung images nyo, gusto nyo siyang i-zoom, nyo naman po makikita ang lasso, magic wand, prop, or like yung move. Dito naman po natin makikita yung brushes, yung gradient, paint bucket, or dito nyo naman makikita yung erase, long stamps, pattern stamps, smudge, notch and sponge, text, set, foreground, and background color. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga items niya. So, ito naman po yung palette. Dito nyo naman po makikita or kung ano po yung gagamitin nyo sa gagawin po natin activity, which is gagawa po kayo ng poster. Ito, kung gusto nyo palitan yung mga colors, ito po siya. Ayan po yung palette natin. Okay, proceed na po tayo sa ating practical work area. Ang first po na gagawa ng poster is si Sir Vanilla. Okay, time's up. Okay, time's up. Let's proceed naman po sa ating institutional assessment area. For Sir Aaron Vanilla, congratulations. Nakapasa ka po sa ating assessment because you showed diligence at maganda po yung gawa mong poster. Lahat po na kailangan nyo ipakita for requirements na ipasa nyo naman dapat na.
Thank you po.
Okay, you can go. Congratulations. So, for you, sir, napakita niyo naman po yung mga kailangan. Kaso lang po, nagkulang po kayo sa oras at hindi po natin na-kompleto lahat ng competency na kailangan makompleto. Sorry po, pero you failed.